picture of the feelings that you never did. Do you hear the voices in my head calling for something to know?
Hey guys, it's Isabelle. Welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, today's video is a back to school makeup video where I'm going to show you this achievable look. It's really simple, but it's easy and quick. You can get it done for school, and it's a nice way to kind of start the school year off right. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Estee Lauder Double Longwear foundation and just put this all over my face. Next, I'll be going in with just one of my flat kabuki brushes and blending this in. Next, going in with my Maybeline Fit Me Concealer. I'll just be applying that to some of the troubled areas that I have to cover some like blemishes or any redness. And then I'll be blending that in with a smaller brush. Now taking the Makeup Revolution concealer, I'm just going to be applying some of that below my eyes to hide my eye bags, and then just going in with the same brush and blending that out. Now taking the Makeup Revolution setting powder, I'm just going to be applying that underneath my eyes where I put my concealer. Make sure everything stays matte and stays in place. Then I'm just going to be applying a little bit to my T-zone because I get oily. I'll be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder and just applying this all over my face so I can set all the rest of my face as well. Going in with my Hoola Bronzer, I'm just going to be warming up the face and really bringing some dimension to it. Along the forehead as well. And the jawline. Now I'll be going in with that's not the brush. One of my brushes, and I'm just kind of blending in what I just did so it's not as harsh. Taking my MAC Pro Longwear Blush in the shade Gingerly. Just going to be applying it to the apples of my cheeks to get some color in my face so that I look all rosy and cute. I'm just going in with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre and applying this to my lids. That way the eyeshadow I put on does not crease and it stays on. For the eyes, I'm going in with my Tartelette and Bloom palette, taking the shade Smarty Pants, and I'm putting this all over the crease and lid, just to kind of bring some shade into it. And then I'm going to be going in with the shade Jet Setter, and then just focusing that more on my outer V, just to kind of darken this up. And then taking whatever I have left on this brush, I'm just going to be sweeping that along my waterline under my eye. I'm going to go in with my finger now. And then just put this on my lid. Really get that in there. I'll be taking the shade Funny Girl on the brush and just putting that in my inner corner to really bring out the highlight. Finish off that look, I'm going in with the shade Flower Child on this brush and then just highlighting my brow bone. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Defining Pencil, and I'm just kind of filling them in because I have a pretty nice shape. Sometimes I just lack a few hairs here and there, you know. Now with my Great Lash Maybelline like clear mascara type thing, I just use this as a gel and I comb through my eyebrows so that they stay in place all day. Okay, so now for my favorite part, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighting powder, and this is one in Precious Petals, sorry. And I'm just going to get some of that on my brush and sweep that onto my cheekbones. Ooh, do you see that? Oh my god, this is why I love highlight. Highlight just steps up the game. Dang, that's good. Put some on the high points of my nose and keep it so. Man, I'm a whole new girl. With my Marykay eyelash curler, just curling my eyelashes. And now with my Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara, a bop really, I'm going to be applying a generous few coats. Okay, so I finished my mascara, and I'm telling you guys, I mentioned this in my monthly favorites video, but it does so well. Like, I just curled them, put 2 coats of this mascara on them, and they look so good. It's, again, the mascara is like $7-8. It's really cheap, and it makes them look like so lengthened, volumized, like all the good stuff. So you guys should really make sure to check that out. So this is just the finished makeup look, and this is really simple and easy for back to school. It's not too much, and it's, you know, a little bit of something so that, you know, people will notice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and, you know, thanks for watching.